In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Quora Ads Manager. If you're planning to launch or monitor campaigns on Quora, the Ads Manager is the control center where you'll create ads, set budgets, refine targeting, and track results. I'll walk you through getting there quickly and safely so you always land on the official dashboard without confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any up-to-date browser will work fine. In the address bar or search box, type Quora Ads Manager or Quora for Business. This helps you find the official entry point even if you don't remember the exact URL. Take a moment to scan the results and look for the official Quora domain. The correct links typically mention Advertise on Quora or Quora for Business and reside on Quora.com. When you see the official result, click it. Avoid third-party guides or aggregator sites here, as they won't take you directly into the Ads Manager. A good sign you're in the right place is seeing Quora's branding and language about creating or managing ads, not general help articles. If your browser shows a small lock icon next to the URL, that's a quick confirmation you're on a secure, official page. Next, log into your Quora account. Use the same credentials you use for Quora itself. If you sign in with a single sign-on method, follow those prompts as usual. Make sure you're using the account that has advertising access, especially if you manage multiple profiles. If you've enabled extra security on your account, complete any verification steps and let the page fully load. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's typically a small circular avatar or an initial. Click that to open the main account menu. On some layouts, especially on smaller screens, this menu may be tucked behind a three-line navigation icon. If so, open that and you'll find the same options. From that menu, select Ads Manager. This takes you straight to the dashboard where campaigns, ad sets, and creatives are managed. If it's your first time, you might see an introduction or a brief setup view before the main dashboard appears. That's normal. After you arrive, consider bookmarking the page so you can return directly in the future. That's it. You opened your browser, found the official Quora Ads link, logged in, clicked your profile icon, and selected Ads Manager. With this path, you can reach your advertising dashboard quickly and consistently every time.